So the tool you're going to use first is called a miter box. The beauty of the miter box is it cuts perfectly 90-degree cuts. So when we're here, you do not need to worry about the pitch of the blade just yet. So again, it will hold at perfect 90 this way, and it'll hold it perfectly 90 to your piece of wood. What we are going to do is we're going to go over how to hold a piece of wood and what you're doing with your arms. So when I come up here, if this is my key piece, right, or the piece that I want, it will always be on the left-hand side. So what that means is the saw will be touching the outside of this line here. Not the inside, not on top, the outside, right? So, ooh, those are pretty good nails. Not to flip this over. So, for the longer boards, the partner, right? What your job is going to be doing is you're just going to hold the longer board so that the person who's cutting doesn't have to hold the full weight of the board, right? You're not pushing or pulling it, you're just holding it at that height. Does that make sense to everyone? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up the saw, bring my piece underneath. All right? Now, I want it just touching this side of the blade here. All right, so again, my key piece is on the left. My left hand is pressing inside of this space here, down and against the fence. So again, I'm making what I call a lobster claw. My fingers on top are pressing downward. My thumb is pressing in towards the fence. The fence is the back part of this cut here. The table is what's underneath it on the bottom, right? So again, I'm pressing down and against the fence. When I'm sawing, my right hand, since this is a Western saw, what am I doing with my pointer finger? Having it out, right? So I'm going to put my hand around the guard, put my pointer finger out. Now here's the key thing. My stance, left foot facing this way, right foot facing at 90 degrees. I want it spread in a way that I'm in a comfortable stance, right? From there, my hand, I should be able to draw a straight line across the saw, through your wrist, through your elbow, all right, in that way. If it is off to the side, what that means is that you're either too close to the saw or your arm is bent in the wrong direction, all right? So again, I want to keep it in a straight line, all right? When I'm sawing, I want to keep it nice and flat, all right? I'm not trying to tilt it up or down, because again, let the saw do the work. If you try to force it to do something it doesn't want to do, it will take longer. It'll be harder, and it'll be way more difficult for you. So again, keep it level, all right?